beauties, it's me Evie, and I am back with the third installment for this month because it's a special month. Every 3 months you get a Luxe box from BoxyCharm if you sign up for that particular subscription. And BoxyCharm was kind enough to gift me the Luxe box. I thought I would get a little comfortable and a little bit with my feet tucked in because my feet were freezing while filming, and go and dive into this box. Now, I am a big kid at heart. Obviously, I'm a big kid, but I love presents. I can't help it. Like, it's very awkward for me to get presents. I've never been the one that knew what to do or what to say. I was always overexcited about everything, especially if I liked it. And I don't know, I've just always found it very awkward to receive things for gifts, but I do love doing it. I do love receiving gifts. And I'm always like this big kid about it, and I like the surprise of it. For a long time, I was never surprised about anything I was gifted, and it was really hard for me because I genuinely wanted to be surprised. Well, I've been staying off the internet. I haven't snooped. I didn't pay attention to any of the emails about Boxy. I wanted it to be a surprise. So this is the Luxe box for Christmas this year. It is a big honking box. So this is the Luxe box. It's a big honking box. It's a much bigger than the base and the premium. You get more products, and there's usually a tool or a something you can use in the beauty world in here. So I am just going to open it up and let's just see what my Christmas Luxe box is. Ooh, I see some products. So this is called the Winter Luxe box, not the Christmas. Excuse me for the wording of that. Here is the page. So it's just got like a dark background with some diamonds and snow, and it says Winter Luxe. So let's just see what the first thing on the page is. So the first thing is from Ofra Cosmetics. It's the On the Glow Pro Palette. Glow like you mean it. The ultimate tool for creating a bronzed glow, the stunning palette is suitable for all skin tones. Whether you are a makeup artist on the go or a beauty enthusiast who loves variety, this palette is all you need for a glam that shines AM to PM, and this retails for $149. I'm a fan of the Ofra Pop products, so let's take a look. Let's see what my initial reaction. If I can get it open. Y'all, my fingers are really cold. Oh, the mirror is so good. I love when they put the built-in around the mirror. Oh, wow. This is really pretty. So you definitely have some golds, tans, browns, and then some pink down here. Let's see what it says on the back. Okay, so this is the Rigid Drive highlighter. This is the Beverly Hills highlighter and the California Dream highlighter. This is Blissful highlighter, Egyptian clay bronzer, and Americano bronzer. So that is the names. This is like a cushion. This is a really good traveling palette for sure. Those colors though, I'm very impressed. Very impressed. It's a beautiful palette. And I love the packaging. So this retails for $149. So the next thing we have is from Kitsch. It is a satin sleep set. This Kitsch sleep set is your newest nighttime necessity. Its satin construction won't crimp or aggravate your strands while you sleep, allowing you to wake up frizz-free and ready to take on the day. Banish breakage and conquer creases with these chic day-to-night no-brainers. Each package includes one standard size satin pillowcase, one satin eye mask, and one satin sleep scrunchie. That's so cool. I actually sleep on satin pillowcases, and that will be very awesome. This would also be a great gift if you wanted to, you know, not keep it for yourself for some odd reason. This would be an amazing gift set for Christmas. Maybe I might give this to somebody. I have somebody in mind. So this Kitsch-Satin Sleep Set retails for $36. Next we have a Cat Burki Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. Let's open her up. It's a pretty glass bottle with like a frosted color glass. A protection. It doesn't really have a smell, but it's that marshmallow looking texture creams that I love. A few companies are using that texture now, and I love that texture. Maybe it's just because I am a huge marshmallow fan, but I love that. So this is Cat Burki Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. It's a cult favorite, apparently. Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream is developed to meet the needs of a lackluster complexion and to protect the skin from environmental toxins. The Ocean Mineral Complex, OMC92, floods deeply to fortify skin and essentially micronourish. The heart of the formula is the super nutrient complex TM, comprised of 15% Stay C, a staple form of vitamin C, blended with the anti-aging powerhouse reishi to promote cell turnover and to brighten skin. This retails for $116. I am excited to try that. Okay, so the next product is from Aceology. It's a detoxifying treatment mask. Here's the packaging. And the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask is supercharged health retreat. It's a supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. The charcoal's antibacterial and purification powders are unrivaled with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum and dirt and the antioxidant-laden botanical balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. Wow. That was a mouthful. This is really good for your skin, drawing out impurities, and it is that charcoal magic that we have grown to love over the last few years. This retails for $69. This next product comes from LARUCE Beauty. It's the Christine set. The Christine set includes a duo fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, a medium domed blending brush, and a graphic petite Rennie cup. Let's see. Oh, I love this texture. It feels so good. So this is the brushes. And what a great Christmas gift this would make for that new makeup girl, for that age of makeup where, and wouldn't this be an amazing gift for a girl new to makeup who's just getting on her feet, you know, turning that age where you can start wearing makeup? Wouldn't that be a lovely, lovely gift? Be able to store her brushes also and have some really nice ones to begin with. So this retails for $50. And again, what a lovely Christmas gift that would make. Okay, guys. Oh my God. I just realized what this was. I am super, super excited about it. This is One Size by Patrick Starr. Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. I cannot say it enough. Ever since I come onto YouTube and got into loving makeup, Patrick Starr has been one of the people that I just love so much. So this is a go off in an epic way with this no drip, super slick, continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact. Go off in an epic way with this no dip, super slick, continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact without leaving skin tight or dry. Formulated to fully remove makeup and refresh skin with good for you ingredients. This go off makeup dissolving mist is a game changer for those heavy makeup days. I am going to try this tonight. Oh my goodness. I am so excited about this. I love Patrick Starr. Awesome. Awesome that they are collabing with Boxy. So this retails for $24. This product is from PUR. It's fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. Opposite attract, and with this age-defying vegan PUR fully charged mascara powered by a revolutionary magnet polar matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. Fortified with a specialized blend of ingredients such as nourishing vitamin B, this mascara helps contain and strengthen eyelashes to help prevent premature lash loss. Well, that's a lot for a mascara to do. So here's the packaging. Let's check out the wand. Oh, it's one of those really slim, like rubber type wands. That'll be interesting to try. This retails for $22. Now that leaves us our last product. This is from Persona Cosmetics, who I've just been turned on to by Boxy last month. So this is a 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. Intensify your eyes with this creamy 24-hour waterproof eyeliner that glides on smooth for an all-day to night wear. Features a smooth blendable formula. This 24-hour waterproof eyeliner is ideal for both lash line and waterline. And this retails for $14. So that's the end of the Luxe box. And you got 8 full-size products in this box. There was some great pieces in here that you could give for Christmas presents or just keep and pamper yourself. It was a lovely box. I can't wait to try some of these names. I'm super excited about the Patrick Starr spray, and I hope that you love this too. Go give Boxy some love. Thank them for all the amazing love they've given me this year. And I just want to say, Boxy, thank you for a lovely year with you. It's been an amazing journey. I love your boxes, and I hope the next year is as bright as this one's been. The Winter Luxe box. Go check it out. All the things that you need to know is in the description. As always, be your own beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bar, share, leave me comments, all the things. Happy holidays.